Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am Arif, your financial freedom journey partner. Today I will reveal 5 tech stocks which are buy right now considering the current price and the future value. So let's get started. So I have already logged into my World Simple application, and from here we can see some of the basic knowledge about these stocks. So first I will start with Apple. So the current price of Apple stock is 163.62 USD. Uh, you can see in a single day it dropped near around $6.41, which is good for a buyer because now we can purchase this stock in a discount price. Beside the price of this stock, let's look into some other aspects of this Apple stock. Uh, First, let's look into the market capital of Apple, which is 2.63 trillion, and this is a very good indication. This stock is a solid one. Next, the PE ratio is 27.04, which is ideal for a good tech stock. So this is also a good indication. The all-time high of 52-week is 182, and now it's 163. So definitely a good price to buy right now. And the low is 129, maybe during the COVID season. Beside these numbers, let's do some more research why we should buy Apple stock. So if we look into this article, it's saying that despite of the economic headwinds, Apple is managing to do well. So even during this COVID situation, Apple managed to do really well in market, which is a very good sign. The second good thing about Apple is that the main income source of Apple is iPhone, and maybe next month iPhone 14 will be launched. So I think this is a good time to purchase some Apple shares so that you can get the extra benefit from the iPhone launch. The third reason why we should buy Apple is that the margins are making a difference for Apple, and here you can say the company service segment saw its margin improve from 69.8% to 71.5%, which is great. And if you are a long-term investor, so it's always good to actually purchase some Apple stock, and you can see the benefit in a long run. So from my point of view, Apple is a very good buy at the current price. All right, the second pick for me is Amazon. So let's look into the numbers of Amazon stock. So current price of Amazon stock is 130.75 USD, and by one day it just dropped $6.53, which is 4.76%. And I think this is a very good time to purchase some Amazon share. If we look into the other numbers, the market capital is 1.33 trillion, which is really impressive. The PE ratio is kind of higher comparing to Apple, but as Amazon is more of a growth based tech company, it is a common sign, so it's all right. Then we can see the 52 weeks high is 188, and it's just now 130. So this is definitely a good time to buy some Amazon stock. I already purchased 12 shares of Amazon, and I am looking forward to actually purchase some more because I'm pretty sure in a year or two this price of Amazon stock will definitely go high, near around maybe like 200. Currently there is no dividend or yield because it's more of a growth based company. All right, now let's do some research why we should buy Amazon stocks. So the first reason I believe is that the diversified operations point to across the board dominance. So when we are talking about Amazon, we are not just all talking about the retail store. Amazon is also popular for their streaming service named as Amazon Prime, and their Amazon Music is pretty popular too. And what is the most attractive part from my point of view is that their cloud computing service named as Amazon Web Service. I'm a tech person, and I exactly know how popular this cloud solution that Amazon provides, and definitely it will grow more and more in future as cloud computing is reaching its peak point. The next point why we should purchase Amazon stock is the long-term potential that just keeps growing. So the company's most important businesses, e-commerce and cloud computing, are still in growth mode. So that means if we purchase some share right now, definitely in few years the price of these shares will be much more, and we will definitely benefit from it. My third pick is Google, and I'm pretty sure you all are familiar with Google Alphabet, because whenever we are talking about tech companies, we definitely keep a close eye on Google. The current price of Google stock is 110.34, and we can see it just dropped $6.31, which is 5.41%. So that's why I think this is a very good time to buy some Google stock. The market cap is also pretty impressive, which is 1.44 trillion. The PE ratio is 20.53. This is impressive. For a company like this, the PE ratio is very attractive from my point of view. The 52-week high is 151 and 52-week low is $101. So pretty much like we are getting this stock right now at a very low price. The current yield is 0.0%. It is more of a growth based stock, so that's why currently Google is not paying any dividend. So now let's do some research why we should buy Google stock. So there are multiple reasons to actually buy Google stock. The first one is that an online advertising leader. So Google is clearly the leader of advertising, and this really helps them to generate a lot of revenue. The second reason could be the largest search engine in the world. So whenever we need to search anything, we just use Google. So that means definitely it's a leader as a search engine. The third reason could be the strong position in operating systems, and then the very attractive business model that is YouTube. From YouTube, Google makes a lot of money, and in every section, Google is definitely a winner. My fourth pick is Meta. Meta platform, previously is known as Facebook, and Meta is the parent company of Facebook. So current price of Meta stock is 161.78 USD. You can see this one also took a hit yesterday, and it is down by $7. That is 4.15%. So I think this is a very good time to purchase some Meta stocks. If we consider the market cap, it is 434 billion, which is pretty impressive. And the very attractive part of Meta stock is that the PE ratio is very less compared to the other tech stocks. This is 13.40, so it has very good chance to grow. So I definitely recommend to purchase Meta stock. And you can see the 52 weeks high is 384 USD, and now we can just purchase this stock by $161. So I think we are getting a very good discounted price. So let's take advantage of it and purchase some stocks of Meta. And low is 154.25. Like other growth stocks, Meta also doesn't provide any yield or dividend. So let's do some analysis why we should buy Meta stock. So I will list down 3 reasons why we should buy Meta stocks. The first one is that its advertising business could stabilize soon. So the reason we are getting a discounted price is that currently Meta is facing some regulation issue, but it is expected that in a very short period of time this issue will be solved, and again Meta stocks will be higher again. So if we purchase right now, maybe within a very short period of time, we can get a very good return. The second reason is its slowdown could be temporary. So there are a lot of estimation that the current price of Meta stocks will definitely go high, because the problem that Meta is facing with the regulation and privacy issues, they are pretty close to solve all of these issues, and once these issues are solved, then the temporary situation will be remediated and the prices will be go up again. And the third reason is low expectation and low valuation. So it is a very good indication is that between all the FANG stocks, Meta stocks are very cheap compared to other stocks. So which is a very good sign to actually purchase some Meta stock. My fifth and final pick is Microsoft. Currently, we can purchase a single Microsoft stock by $263.09, and it is down by $10.76 compared to previous day, which is 3.86%. So I think this is a very good time to purchase some Microsoft stock. Microsoft capital is also huge, which is 2 trillion. The PE ratio is also attractive, 27.80, and the all-time high is 349. So definitely we are purchasing Microsoft stock at a discounted price, and the low of 52-week is 241. Good thing about Microsoft stock is that we are getting some dividend, which is 0.93. We are getting less dividend in here because Microsoft is still a growth based stock, so they are spending their earnings to actually do some research and development so that they can provide some better product to their customer. Now let's do some research why we should buy Microsoft share. There are multiple reasons behind it. So financial results on the rise. Microsoft's revenue is very impressive, so this is a very good indication. Then one of the largest capitalization in the world. Then we can see the earning per share above expectation, which is really great, and the stronger customer loyalty. So this is pretty impressive. So the person who are using Microsoft product like Microsoft Office or Windows, they are very loyal to this brand. So that's a very good indication that the price of this stock is definitely gonna go high in the long run. So from my point of view, these five are very strong stocks that we should buy right now in a discounted price, and definitely in future we'll get a lot of value from this stock. So if you guys have any questions or concerns related with investing, please let me know under this comment section. And that's all for today. I hope you guys would have a very wonderful rest of the day, and goodbye for now.